Hi there everybody. In today's video I have this Mercedes C-Class W204 2008, and I'm gonna be changing this indicator that's on the mirror as the new part there. I bought this obviously off of Mercedes. It was around £28. And the reason I'm changing is because some condensation is formed in here, so the seal is probably gone. Now to remove this indicator we need to take this mirror out and then this cover. Now this mirror comes out by pulling it. You have to pull it out pretty hard. If you get your fingers in there and hold it in the middle. But you could also use maybe something like this, just to pick on the little clips in there. These are the little clips. If you can lift one up and release it, it'll be a bit easier to release the mirror. And sometimes they crack, and then you have to get a new one. So I've already pulled this one out, but these are the clips holding it, basically. This one here, and another one, and so on. Now I'm just gonna let that hang in there. You can pull this out, but just have one hand at the moment. Now I have a Torx screwdriver here. This is a T10. Just gonna take these screws out. There is 3 of them. Now we also need to press inside of here. There are some they're just like a little clips, and you can push them and get that out. So I may need a smaller screwdriver, or this might work okay. So there's also 3 of them. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. It's up here. Okay, we only, I think a flathead screwdriver would be much better for that. Okay, so all we're doing is trying to push these bits just in a little bit, so it releases from the holes there. Okay, now we can release this cover. We have these 2 clips here, 1 and 2, to push them in. Push them in and push the cover backwards. Right, so basically we push those silver clips in there, push them back, and then there will be another one holding it in here. So, and again there's a little one here, that bit, just holding in there because we need to bring this up. This needs to go up, so that's where it plugs in. That's the other little clip there. That's holding it onto there. Right, so I had to pull this up a little bit hard to unclip it, but at the same time pushing this a little bit backwards, so it releases this one and this one. Now it's just a matter of undoing these 2 Torx screws. Okay, so I've just undone these little screws. They were also a T10. Well, they were very small, but I did use a T10. It just about fit and undone that. So we're gonna need to remove this as well. To fit the new one in there. So it looks like we just have to press on the side bits there. Now we can push the indicator back. It's got little clips here as well, and there, and just up here, those. So just press those in and push this. Push it back. Okay, so I just pushed it from the middle here, came out. So that's out. Right, just cleaning that bit there, nothing too crazy. This is my new mirror here, just have to release that. Push that in until it clips in. That's it. Get this in there. got it in there. Okay, so got those back on with a T10, and got that one in there. Now we can put this back. That's all in there now. Get this back in there. Just push it in. And get your 3 Torx screws in there, and just push the mirror back in, and that's pretty much it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.